Hi guys, it's Tanu here. Hope you all are doing good. So the product today I am going to talk about is an electronic product, which is this. It's the 4th generation Apple iPod, Shuffle Apple iPod. So I'll talk about this product, I'll give reviews. So talking about the availability of this product is easily available on your nearby Apple stores, and yeah, online also it's available on Amazon.com and Flipkart.com. You can easily find this product. Now going to the storage, so it has 2 GB storage. So 2 GB storage is really good storage, and that too for listening music. And now going to the design of this product, so I found it really very cute. It's so small, you can easily carry it so far, so no trouble in that. This is the good point. Now next thing I'll talk about is that its design. The features are, it has 5 buttons. The middle one is to stop the music. It is the volume up button, it is the volume down button, it is forward and backward for the songs. So there are five buttons. And now I'm talking about, you get a jack with this, you get a sync wire with this, and there is a jack here, as you all can see. So this is for connecting USB and computer, this is for connecting with that. So this sync wire is really good, and you get this by buying this product. While buying this product you get this, and also a set of earphones. The next thing is, it has buttons here. So this button is mainly the voice button, which when you press while listening the music, you get the album's name and you get the singer's name. So this is good. And the next thing is, it's really off right now. It is the slide button. When you slide it ahead, see, it's on. And this feature, at this point, this button will play the songs in series, and if you slide it ahead one more time, so this feature will shuffle all the songs. So this is really good thing. Mainly it's for those who really like to listen music. And the next thing Apple give you is the clip. This is very stiff clip and very good clip, so you can easily stuck it on your pockets, and jackets. Whenever you listen music, you don't have to carry it all the time. Also it's really suitable for gym workers. So, and now going ahead to the price of this product. So this product, as you know, Apple is really expensive company. So this iPod is for 3800 if you get it from market, from the store, and if you go online you'll get it for 4300. So guys, 4300 you're getting 2 GB. So I don't think it's too much costly, not too much cheap, but yeah, it's okay. So I would really suggest you to buy this product. It's really very good, and the sound quality is also awesome guys. I've already experienced this. So yeah, that's all for the review. Thank you.